bet show asofo to be wo videos I mean who internet do. Mobile videos too, you'll be your own judge and find out why Boko Damiche pray another Boko Damiche pray. Let's watch this video.
Some of you girls sitting on the stage, there is semen in your vagina right now because last night you had sex. Last night, as you sit here, you are dripping semen as you sit here. Some of you girls here. The guys doing video have watched pornography before coming here. Porn addicts, I'm telling you. If you were to give me time, I'll pick them out for you. Stop taking the picture. Where were you last night? You, where were you last night? When your mother was being consecrated, where were you? You were having a function. Wicked man. We could not even get a photographer to take a picture of your mother because there is no fear.
Ashe yini zeri. Yansha damu suffer on the video.
Very popular. Went to the father and said, Daddy, my wife has been disturbing me with divorce, but I feel that I may not live long. What's something here? Papa ne tia semna no de the ma semi numu ye den numu ye du nti ma me fra wo bread and yentine fom yin sisi asem dia la also daddy you are just coming from the farm, go and relax. You papa kwada 4:30 also about 5 o'clock no papa na eguru the whole osofo with branches all over na you listen there na la guru na san na only ji nti mba ya wo write it down before we afi mba na wo hen na won kire. What you don't mean, you don't say it, especially when it carries emotional value.
You see the reason why modern day young boys want to walk a chapel. Modern day young girls, they are refusing to go to Asari Bino. Because you see, some of these men of God feel like they are anointed in preaching, but you see, they lack the wisdom of communication. The gift of communication also you don't assemble your audience or your members and run them down like this. You have no idea what members go through. Wasn't that prepare with sermon fire for fire, so you speak anyhow. Now, the young boy no yana kase okay me anka move feature predem wa muntu na so hobi da. After all, sike wo wa sorry mu na osofo shadow relates to you. We know it. It will be a yara wa hwehwew. Nhwehwenyim. And people come to the church and you speak to them in this manner. I mean, I will always choose the second pastor that spoke because okasa with wisdom, not because he was speaking in a language I can relate to. Bet Nyankopon adumina nshiro zamanen. I wish I meet this man of God. What's our friend James Addison? Shash. Asofunum they pray. What sorry them attacking people. Why customer one for sabi nyansam tomu. Wojia they will go and hide behind the word that touch not my anointed. Now anointed no I don't touch obiemu. Are we all not the children of God? Please. Sadamu Sofi onyana sorry no share sorry biase they should call him to apologize to the members. This is disgusting to speak to your members in this way. Ebe osofo emfarimpo whereas na one way you demi video wo TV do ma wa emfarin se wutaze. De nyim pakase de sebi wayamboa. Do you know the relationship issues? Do you know the financial crisis some of these men are going through? So be kwachapwena say, oh yeah, zibi wa sorry numa. The entitlement by the church alone, it's crazy. And when they try picture, and when they try videos, as if they are the ones that even schooled them, trained them. Now so what this chapter was kesi sorry dana. Nase osofuwa, the church becomes the property of the wife in a number. But also, young boy, yes, and Yamana, so young boy, yes, we are betting a chap with them. I can say anyhow, I remember that when they trade the banner one. Please. And when I were used to the word taxpayers' money, they should start using offering givers' money in church. Because some of these pastors are not living up to expectation. Onyame pede maka sadamache nyame ni nyimpa, but you see nyanya nyame na mboa yesu ye nyame ni nyimpa, so he should mind how he speak to people, because a man so were emotions. Say hallelujah. Nya gospel ni another nya preaching nya kotide kita Bible, but when nakopo kawa kumada kanyansa sama, you are also preaching. That is why one of the men of God I believe in this world now, Kofi Kinata Kamu. Anyway, tell me what you feel about this pastor's utterances. I would say no yemowa. Boy, I mean, I prefer the second one because I can answer some. I can relate to that. This is real fucking things.
The matter chop hot.
Asemene diloto. Hey! Aye! Hey!